kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka MP Barim ka Lok Sabha Natura Parliamentary Constituency, but kabadai menta ka chairperson jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, ka Agatha Sangma, kalakantat halor ka jing saprang ki kubor hamsaya, bakala bandai maka ka Kyrtong na kabenta ka syuki MP ka Rajya Sabha ka Jilla, but ong bayaminta kampat syumnadon kanu ka jing akran hapo ka National People's Party halor ka jing jiet MP na ka Jilla ban mi ikmat syapo ka Rajya Sabha. Habakran cekila patay kubor mentaga si ka khandro tri unay tung arhajar apusan ka Agatha kalaong bakani ka day tang ki kubor hamsaya but ong bakampat la banong AA halor kani ka benta. Ka Agatha kalaong ru bakaray baro ka Shong Haka Seng banjit ya u ne ka Kyrtong. Bat na kalyang jongka kan ay ka jingkersyan ka barat ba ya unu ne kanu kibanlong MP Rajya Sabha ka Jilla.
Ma'am, little bit politics. We heard that even there are talks around, going around that even your name is being considered for Rajya Sabha. Is it true?
As of now, we don't have any, we've not had any discussion on the Rajya Sabha seat. These are just speculations. So I can't comment on it. All I can say is that whoever my party decides, I fully support that candidate. Like I said, as of now, we've not discussed it. Maybe in the future, if there's a discussion, I can let you know later.
But what is your view if your name comes forward? Are you willing?
I don't know now. I can't say as of now because, like I said, it's party's decision. It's not mine. And I'm just going to support the party.